Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to download and install the AMPlayer application to your Android TV without using downloader. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So if you want to download and install the AMPlayer application to your Android TV without using the download application, the best app to do that with is this one called APK Time. Now you might be wondering, how do you get or install APK Time to your Android TV without using downloader? It is very simple. In the description of this video, there is a link I have added that is going to help you to install APK Time to your Android TV without using downloader. So please watch that video. Once you're done, launch the APK Time and come out to a category that says players and browsers. I am going to see the AMPlayer here. There are two options. There is one for Android TV and there's another for Fire Stick. I'm using an Android TV device, so please install the one that is compatible with your device. Just come over here, click on download, and then you're going to get the install button. Now, all you need to do is click on install, and the application is going to be installed to your Android TV. So just come over here, install. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. So the application has been installed, then you can return home.